Shoot, you better get worried about getting deported instead of get fired. That cop bigger better be worried about getting deported by the Border Patrol.
Man, I almost choked. Fireball, shame on you. I almost choked. Get all out there. I ain't gonna repeat that. I don't hurt that man's feelings like that. Shame on you. You a mess, Fireball. You a mess of that.
Yeah, he got to go to sleep, but he got to sleep up under the bed and make sure the Border Patrol ain't going to come in his house and deport his ass, because they might detain him. Hey, 212, they just might detain that Mr. California and then deport him, so he don't got to worry about getting fired.
No, you're first shot. Man, shame on you, Fireball. Okay, then, Fireball. I don't know repeat it, though, but I heard you the first shot, Fireball. I'm not sure. See you.
But he can't. He probably can go over there to the taco truck. He might be able to go over there, make it to the big taco truck with rice and beans. He can have a couple tacos and he can get the shits.
Fireball, you get smart. Are you getting smart? Man, I almost choked when Fireball said that. I'm back 10 7 to my popcorn. I'm still reading, man. I know you ain't talking to me, but are you getting smart with 6 or 3? Big Soul in the rough house got down.
Oh, no, Big Soul. I ain't getting smart with 63. I'm talking about 809. Hey, Big Soul. I ain't talking about 63. I'm talking about 809. 809 said he got to go to bed so he can go to work tonight, but he should really be worried about getting deported.
Well, I just lean back there. I'll lean back and listen. You know, because I done worked on my standby this week real good. Okay, well, I thought it was 63. You said, what, 63? Okay, then. So I'll lean back. Take care. Somebody called you Fire Stick a while ago. Hobo Joe called you Fire Stick. I guess that must be an inside thing. Take care. I just leave it like that. Hey, Fireball. But Hobo Joe called you Fire Stick. What's up with that?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know why he calls me Fire Stick. I met Hobo Joe. You know Hobo Joe, I think he's from like North Carolina or something like that, and he moved out here to Arizona. I met that cop picker at the El Dorado break in Los Angeles.
Take care. Hobo Joe, take care. Call your doggone number one fan whenever you get a chance. Call your number one fan first chance you get. Big Soul. I heard that you got right in there. You're 100% right, man. Boy, when Fireball said something so funny, I almost choked, man. Okay, good rockin' daddy, man. I'm on something different today. I'm always trying out something new and I'm cruising. Good rockin' daddy, 212, we station getting down again.
Good Rockin' Daddy's really close to Witch Doctor. He might be able to go over to Witch Doctor's house and put a white mop on his head. He can impersonate a lot lizard and jump up and down on a pogo stick.
You'd be surprised what you're missing. When you just gunning that one man, you'd be surprised.
I cracked myself up!
In the right position, and you trying to worry about somebody else's condition. Big Soul in the rough house got down. Sorry, you see, can't make it. Okay, man, just want to see what's up, can't make it. I see you out there muscling. You can't make it. Man. Okay, man. They just want to pick and choose and look for a condition when they got it in somebody else's position. They don't want to keep it real and tell it like it is and talk to where they got their position. They're looking for somebody's condition. Big Soul in the rough house got down.
I just want you to go over to my hero's house and get him on the radio, Big Soul. Hey, Big Soul. I just want you to go over to my hero's house and get him on the radio.
Hey, Cal Nigga, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. These 63, you gotta do what you gotta do on that Cal Nigga side, man. You gotta about it, man. Maybe that Cal Nigga will figure it out, man. If you do it over and over and over, he get the same results and he'll know you ain't playing. No, 6'3", what side? Shit, what you think? You go C-rolls. You try to be a C-roll, you go C-rolls. Want to be C-rolls. But they cool. Cause it broke down. But it is what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is real. Anyhow, at least you got that more. Take care. I just letting you know, just letting you know, just letting you know. They're down and out. They need you to call my life, man. They need you. You gotta remind them where they stand and where you stand. Well, just reading the man.
Well, you got to go over there, and you got to go over there and get him on the radio, Big Soul. Hey, Big Soul, you got to go over to Superman's house and get him on the radio. But All Power said that traffic stop won't let him. Hey, Big Soul, All Power said traffic stop won't let him talk.
Bucket mouth. Well, I ain't got nothing to do with it. All Power. Zero. You got the right supplies, you'll make it home by. Hello, T6-3. You said the boy better keep your name out of his mouth from getting down. But traffic control is the new sheriff in town. Traffic control is the new sheriff in town. And he built his own playground. And he plays rougher than they play in the rough house. Traffic control, he's the new sheriff in town and he got his own playground. And they're doing rough on that traffic control playground. They ride in the rough house, I'll see. Some of them Cal niggas are glutton for punishment, man. And you see straight, man, you need to be reminded, man, in case you don't know, man. Them Cal niggas like freaks, man. They're glutton for punishment, man. They like to be dominated on that Cal nigga side, man. So you gotta watch the way you Cal niggas do it. Hello, 6'3", hold back, but just don't hold it all back. I'm getting down. Lean back. And listen to the Power Rangers and the shadow boxes while somebody do the roll call. Big Soul on the countryside, ATL Joyce. I lean back while somebody do the roll call. I got down and gone.
Oh, I know. No, I know he's the new sheriff in town, man. I talked to him. Boy, I almost made him spit his coffee, too. Hey, Big Soul. I almost made a traffic stop spit his coffee yesterday. He said, don't you be starting nothing, Fireball. I know he's the new sheriff in town. He got a new playground. Hey, Big Soul, I'm sitting back. I got a lot of Michigan in my radio. I got the young man out there, young T-Bird out there. He talked to somebody in California. I don't know who. But I'm going to sit back. I got to go take my trash out. Make sure my trash gets taken out today. Big Soul, while you're out there in the rough house, I'm just sitting here on the West Coast eating my popcorn.
I just laying back, cause you know, there ain't no doggone shadow boxing and pushing and shoving. Good evening, Fireball, the young man in the Galatians with the wave is rocking this rail.
Hey, good evening right back to you there, young T-Bird. I'm going to say hello right back to you, man. Hey, hello to you there, young T-Bird. Yeah, man, boy, these conditions are kind of weird. They're going from everywhere all over the country. Hey, young T-Bird, the young man, your friend Fireball waving.
Yeah, somebody coming out of Arizona say, I'm going to put some weight on Fireball, man. They was calling you Fire Sticks, man. Boy, I couldn't make it all now, man. There was somebody around Arizona came on my radio, man. You need around Arizona, the young man up here in these Great Lakes is on the mail. I got any conditions coming out?
Those guys up there around Arizona are a bunch of mud chickens. Hey, young T-Bird, those guys down there around Arizona are a bunch of cop picking mud chickens. You tell that cop picking hobo Joe to shut up before I make him shut up.
What's up, bud? Boy, you made it pretty clear that go around. You say Hobo Joe, Arizona City, Arizona, cat nigga. Hobo Joe, I'm gonna put a little weight on Fireball's back. That's exactly what you said. Well, good evening to you, Hobo Joe. I hope you can hold it, man, because Fireball is a real hot guy. Hobo Joe, let's ride. One key down at a time, though.
No, he's just a one-hit wonder. A young man, a young T-Bird. That hobo Joe's a one-hit wonder there, 410.
Well, y'all better be careful. That cat nigga Hobo Joe just told me, man, I heard you in the smoke clear, man. That cat nigga said, y'all cat niggas, he ready to go toe-to-toe, blow for blow. And he ain't cat nigga got no more, but he got his best foot forward right now. Hello, Hobo Joe. Hello, Fireball. Hello, 63, the young man, Watergate rolling in Michigan. Let's ride.
Hobo Joe don't even know what a key down is. Hey, young T-Bird. Hobo Joe don't even know what a key down is. He's a one-hit wonder there, 410.
Oh, 63, you said something about I'm back quiet, boy. I couldn't make it out, man. I swear, boy, this is good shit right here. Hey, 63, I'll make your attention up here, cat nigga. Focus your attention in Michigan. Hey, Hobo Joe, look at Michigan, cat nigga. Y'all cat niggas locked up like dogs right now. Hello, 63. Hello, Hobo Dog is all about you. Y'all too. I don't know where Fireball went. Let's go.
Oh, I'm right here. I got somebody putting a dead DC in my radio. Hey, young T-Bird, I got somebody putting a dead DC in my radio right now.
Hey, 63, them kind of nigga putting up a fight, boy. I swear to God, boy. Oh, I ain't gonna kid them all, reload. I ain't gonna kid them all, reload. This feels a mellow joke. I ain't gonna kid them all, reload. Bye. Him on the radio, but that kind of nigga putting up one hell of a fight. Hello, 63, Hobo Joe. Y'all kind of niggas 2 and 2 in my radio. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I kind of lost you, man. Hey, young T-Bird, I lost you, but I am going to say hello to my friend Black Flag, though. Don't you start nothing. Hey, Black Flag, don't you be starting nothing.
My dose of sleep, and y'all gonna lay side by side. And if you ain't dead, play dead. Hey, 63, you say you gonna lay him side by side. And if he ain't dead, play dead. 63, come on.
I still can't hear you. Hey, I'm just letting you know, young T-Bird, I can't hear a word you saying. Black Flag's putting a dead DC on your radio.
Hey, 63, you said if they don't know, they gonna learn. Damn, I swear about that you excuse my manner. Black Flag, I ain't gonna do it no more, man.
You can excuse your manners. It don't matter. Hey, Black Flag, I just got to talk to what's in my radio because 63 thinks he's fighting against Fireball, but I can't hear young T-Bird because whatever he's telling him, I can't hear him because he's cutting his radio off there, Black Flag.
Yeah, man, they got rough, man. They got rough. They're going for I heard Fireball telling my Black Flag something about he can't hear me, this and that. And I heard 63. Tell you all three, the young man is right back. Come on.
All right there, Black Flag. That time around, old young T-Bird got in there. Young T-Bird, I tried to get in there, man. Hey, young T-Bird, these conditions, they rolling all over, but I'm saying hello, and I'm saying hello to my friend, Black Flag. Fireball back out.
Hey, Fireball, just tell him Fireball, tell him Black Flag, leave 212 alone, and I'll leave him alone. Roll that 5, tell him to leave 212 alone. Tell Black Flag, leave me alone, and I'll leave him alone. 212, go down. But you need to be...
Don't you start nothing. Hey, 212, you said Fireball, tell Black Flag leave 212 alone, and you'll leave Black Flag alone. Hey, 212, You said tell that Black Flag to leave you alone, and you'll leave him alone. 212. Break.
That's right. That's exactly what I said. But if he don't leave me alone, I'm gonna take it out on Snoop Doggy Doggy. If he don't leave me alone, I'm gonna take it out on his partner. You know, listen how I say that. His partner, Snoop Doggy Doggy, that Timbo.
Hey, Black Flag. Hey, Black Flag. 212 said if you don't leave him alone, he gonna take it out on Snoop Doggy Doggy. And hey, Black Flag. 212 said if you don't leave him alone, he gonna make sure you pay for it back with your tag, Snoop Doggy Doggy.
Well, thank you, Fireboy. They real close. I think that's his partner. I think Snoop Doggy Doggy is his partner. They real close. They're real tight. 212 kiss up. Appreciate you, Fireboy. Bye-bye.
All right, I couldn't hear a word you said. 212 thinks that you that you and Snoop Doggy Doggy are tags, man. Hey, Black Flag. 212 said you and Snoop Doggy Doggy are tags there, break.
Hey, Fireboy. Well, whatever you say, that's all right. Whatever you say, that's all right. Fireball got that mouth.
All right, there, Black Flag. I can't hear it. 212 wants you to leave him alone. Hey, I guess 212. He said if you leave him alone, he'll leave you alone. Hey, Black Flag. 212 said if you leave him alone, he'll leave you alone. There, break.
I'ma just let him alone. Hey, Fireball, I'ma leave him alone. Hey, Fireball, talk later, Fireball, Mr. Mississippi, say bye-bye.
Tim Roger on that. You said, I guess I'm going to leave him alone. Hey, Black Flag. Hey, Mr. Mississippi, you said, I guess I'm going to leave him alone. Mr. Mississippi, I'm rocking this mail.
I'm going to the Fireball. Tell him 212 went to something. I'm going to the Bluetooth. 212 gone. I'm in the backyard in the bucket. Grease monkey gone.
Tim Roger on that there, 212. You said you're going 10-12. You said you're going 10-7, going back to the boob tube. Hey, 212. You said you going on back, going 10-7. You going back to the boob tube. And when you got off that key, that cop big grease monkey popped out there like Jack in the Box and slipped on a frozen banana.
Hey, Fireball, it's about time. I said it's a... I heard it, Fireball. I can hear Grease Monkey. I heard him. All right, then, my last key, he can have it. I'm going to the Bluetooth. Really, I'm gone this time. See you, Fireball. Appreciate you again. 212 gone.
Wait till you hear this recording. Wait till you hear this recording about how different your radio sounds compared to the last time. You'll see the difference.
I don't know what my radio sound like, but them... Okay, I see the difference. All right, Fireball. Thank you, man. Thank you. I don't know how much to thank you. I thank you a million times. 212 gone.
Well, I'll tell you how your radio take care of 212. I'll tell you how your radio sounds, Grease Monkey. You said, well, I want to know how my radio. You got your 212, cut your cop pig and lips off. Said, I don't know how much I can thank you, and you weren't even buzzing in there. Hey, Grease Monkey, you weren't even buzzing.
I just want a little bit of a radio check. I just want one radio check one time, Fireball. I just said, please, pretty please. I just want a radio check one time, that break.
Tim Roger on that. You just want a radio check one time. Hey, Grease Monkey, you just want a radio check one time. No, you don't. I know what you want to do. You want to open up the freezer and start throwing them frozen bananas. Get your fatos a pumping.
I pulled them out the freezer, not in the faucet. Hey, Fireball, I pulled them damn things out the freezer, not in the faucet. Ain't frozen ones no more that way. I'm making Georgia.
Oh, okay. You pulled them out the freezer and you got them in the faucet now. Hey, Grease Monkey, you got them out the freezer and you got them in the faucet now there, break.
Throw them frozen. I was going to throw them frozen, but I can't throw them frozen. I was going to throw them frozen. Made a little drive with Alabama got down.
Well, just don't slip and fall. Hey, make sure when you take them out to cop big and faucet on that end, make sure you don't drive them and slip and fall and bust your head open there, Grease Monkey, there, break.
Crapshoot gonna say hello to you and get right on out the way. Hello, worldwide fireball, the center of attention. Old Crapshooter, the Hellraiser in Indiana. Monkey back in the bush, bye.
Hello, right back to you there, the crap shooter in Indiana. A crap shooter in the cornfields. Old Grease Monkey out there slipping and falling with his frozen bananas. Hello to you, crap shooter, the Hellraiser in Indiana. Fireball is right back.
No. Monkey don't slip on his own bananas. They fireball. Grease Monkey does not slip on his own bananas. You got it wrong. The monkey cannot slip on his own bananas. He can slip on the dribble though. He can slip on the dribble. Fireball, get it right. With your bad ass. So crap, you say, I'll see you.
10 Raj on that there, crap shooter. 10 Raj on that there, Grease Monkey. You said you don't slip on your own frozen bananas. Hey, Grease Monkey, you said you don't slip on your own frozen bananas there, Break.
No, the monkey cannot slip on his own bananas. The monkey cannot slip on his own bananas. Just remember that. The monkey does not slip. The gorilla can slip on the banana, but not the monkey. The gorilla slips on the bananas, but not the monkey that Break.
Okay, you say the gorilla slips on the bananas, but not the monkey. Hey, Grease Monkey, you said the gorilla slips on them bananas, but not the monkey, break.
Right, you got it right. You just make sure and get it right. Just make sure and get it right. The monkey cannot slip on his own bananas. It might slip on some ice. It might slip on some ice or some grease or some oil, but not the bananas. Then back up.
Tim Raj on that. I heard some of that. Somebody keyed that mall down, cut your radio off, put a dead DC on your radio, and you're like,
Mud monkey over here. What about me on the shower? Hey, Fireball, can you hear my driver? Fireball, can you hear my driver?
hey, hello, right back to you there, 5-4 in Alabama. Hey, hello to you there, 5-4 in Alabama, while you on that driver. Well, yeah, you took old Grease Monkey right out my radio, and he was in the background going,
Don't call my name. Hey, Fireball, this is... Click.
okay, I won't call your name. Here, I'll do it this way. Hey, 5-4 Alabama, get ready. Are you ready? Wading in the water. The water done got deep on the other side. Watch out, 5-4. You might need some waders.
I ain't got that but a driver. Still Fireball. Hit your foot, monkey. I'm gone back playing in the sandbox. Bye. Third driver, Fireball. I'm gone.
10 Raj on that driver. Well, that time around, all I heard was wading in the water. And then that cop being a Grease Monkey out there jumping up and down like a lot lizard on a pogo stick. Hey, Grease Monkey, don't slip on those cop big bananas with that pogo stick. You'll bust your head wide open.
Hey, Fireball, I'm gonna get out of the way. Because the hitters are out there. Hey, Fireball, I'm gonna pull this drive out the middle of the road because the heavy hitters are out there, Fireball. Bye-bye. Later. 5
10 Raj on that there, 5-4. You say you're going to get out the middle of the road because the heavy hitters out there. Hey, 5-4 in Alabama. You say you're getting out the middle of the road because them heavy hitters are out there, 5-4 in Alabama. I'm sitting back.
Monkey 6 right Tell 5-4 I'll see him in 2 weeks in Gulfport, Mississippi, and I'll be signing autographs saying Mr. Mississippi and Mr. Alabama. Hey, Fireball, tell 5-4 I'll see him in Gulfport, Mississippi in 2 weeks, and I'll be signing autographs. I'm back this up.
Hey, 5-4. Hey, 5-4 in Alabama. Mr. Mississippi and Mr. Alabama said that he'll be at the Gulfport, Mississippi break signing autographs, man. Hey, 5-4 in Alabama. Make sure you get an autograph from Mr. Mississippi. He said he's going to give you the pen.
He can't even damn right. Hey, Fireball. Hell, he can't even damn right. How you hopefully they put them in the icebox so they last. So the monkey's gonna be signing bananas at the break too, that big break. Oh, autograph. Hey, Fireball, he said he was damn right. How you gonna give us some autographs that way?
Oh my lord, I can't believe you said that. He gonna bust your teeth open, dude. I can't believe you said that. Hey, that was before Grease Monkey keyed down and said he gonna be signing autographs with his frozen bananas. But 5-4, you said that he gonna cut your lips off. Hey, 5-4. Hey, Black Flag. 5-4 said you can't write. How can you sign your autograph? He said you can't write.
You can't write either. I'm just gonna scribble scratch on the bananas. Grease Monkey, I can't write either. I'm just gonna scribble scratch on the bananas. I don't know what I'm writing. But I'm just gonna scribble scratch on the banana with a crayon. Teeth jump out of his mouth and do the right for me. Hey, now Fireball, you tell 5-4 he ain't got no teeth in his mouth. Now he hollering boom, 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 and I'm back to himself.
Hey, 5-4, that kind of big in a, hey, 5-4, hey, Grease, hey, Black Flag. That Grease Monkey said he gonna write, he don't need to write, he gonna write an X on with frozen bananas. He gonna peel the bananas and sign his name with got big in, banana peels. And then when he got out the mall, you popped out there like Jack in the Box and said, 5-4's gonna have no teeth here in a minute.
Hey, Fireball, that damn, I low key to tell you, all way you talk about me about a key. Hey, Fireball, always 5-4, baby, you talk about me about a key. But I'm standing out there, good evening to you, man. Hey, 63, good evening to you. Crap shoot in the cornfield waving and get down.
All right there. Hey, I heard you, Black Flag. You said you'll see him in Gulfport. Hey, Black Flag, you said you'll see that kind of big at 5-4 in Alabama, in Gulfport, Mississippi, and you'll be signing autographs. No doubt. All right, I'm sitting back. I got to shut this gate down. It's too long. Fireball gone.
I got something for you. No contact on 63, sometimes called Bob Marley. No contact on 63, sometimes called Bob Marley. Oh, crap, shoot, I need cornfield, I'm out the way.
He's out there hooping and hollering. Hey, crap shooter, that kind of big 63's out there hooping and hollering. All he does is jump up and down. And the chance that they get to talk about Fireball, boy, they sure do talk it there. 410.
Hey, Fireball, come on this album. Hey, Fireball, come on this album. Hey, Fireball, yeah, come on this album, Fireball, 5-4, bye.
I heard you on the driver, and my friend old crap shooter didn't come back. I heard you on the driver, and the crap shooter didn't come back. Take care there, 5-4 on the driver. I'm sitting back.
Let's go on. He need more on the driver to sign off. He needs more on the driver to sign off. What he's saying, if you don't hit me, I didn't cheat. That's what he's trying to tell you, Fireball, Mr. Alabama 10-7.
All right there, 5-4. I didn't hear a word you said. That Black Flag come out there and cut your copy of radio off. He said he's Mr. Alabama. Hey, 5-4. He said he's Mr. Alabama, and he cut your radio off. I didn't hear a word you said.
That's why is he always running behind me? Tell him after the end, 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 but you didn't hear him then. Take care of Fireball, tell 5-4, he can talk about me, I'm going to stand down so he can talk about me. Hey, 63, 616.
I'll tell him. Hey, Black Flag. Hey, 5-4 said, why are you always running behind? Whoop! And then old Black Flag come out there and cut your copy of radio off, 5-4. And he said, don't be talking about him. Hey, 5-4, he said he can hear you. Hey, 5-4, Black Flag said he can hear you.
Looking for a hillbilly. You was out there looking for a hillbilly. I've been working on the Cabana, man. I've been working on the Cabana. Hey, 63, your Grease Monkey wave there. He thinks he hear me, I'm gone.